Alright, back it up. Okay. Oh, it's done. I love a quick apple. Whoa! Bueno. I'm gonna get this right. Oh, I'm gonna go to sleep. Let's open garage gates. Lovely ambiance out today. What's on the agenda today? Car lock pig. Okay, that's on the agenda. That's what we need to do. Okay, everybody, welcome back to Thief Simulator. Today, this is the first part, or the only part, hopefully, to try and get the car lock pick done. It's going to be a very cool, very smudgy video. Oh, crap. So, yeah. Let's get to it. First of all, let's go down to Richie Street. I haven't been there in a bit. Okay. Well, here we are, Pauline. Alright. Let me pull up. Nope. Okay. You're right. Great. And simple picking job. Get in, grab some loot, get out. Grab a TV for the 1000th time. Oh, he scared me. You're mine. Oh, a pong. Huh. I'll just take this out of the building first, so I can get some loot first. Yeah, no, she's still gone. I'm gonna close this door, so that's cool. Lovely. I have another escape route. Nope. Okay. Ooh. Crap. Oh my crap. That scared the living daylights out of me, that did. Or TV remote, I can take that. Note in here. Usually bathroom has mainly worthless stuff. Yeah. Yeah, great. Sick. Alright. Right, let's open boot. Wait, hey up, love. Came back just at the right time. I've just robbed gas and I've just finished. Anyways, why are you looking at me? Plonk. Okay, I'm gonna go to Greenview Street now because I can still get some boxy stuff. Alright, let me turn to Greenview Street. Whee! Alright, made it to Greenview. Lovely. Alright, we're gonna go for a quick rob here. Okay. Where am I going, Karen?
Great today.
Hey, thanks. I want to rob your house for once. My bag is filled. Not sure what I'm doing. The woman never comes up here anyways, so. Jamasso big receiver. And in she goes. Okay. Let's go to the next house. I could go to 101. Yeah, no, that's 101. Don't mind my crappy ass driving. Right, let's turn around. There we go, we turned around. Don't need to go that way. Speed limit 30. This car's max is 30 anyways. Never mind, I'm going 60. I need to slow it down a bit. That's actually a pretty reasonable speed. I'm gonna go for the poorhouses. Lovely. This is, I think it's 1010. I actually don't know. Right. Crap. I don't know if they're gonna come over here or not, but I ain't risking it. I could get some items from here while I'm at it. But I'm starved. Are they leaving? Can they let me leave? Yeah. I'll get out from here. Lovely, it's night time. Ooh. Oh, it's full. No, though, I literally had full access to their house. To this house from their house. Like, bro. Okay.
Have a nice day.
You too, mate. See you later, lad. Okay. Alright, let's dip. Just don't dip. Leave it to us. That was a pretty good motto. Oh, that's not their motto. That's their company name.
Hello, friend.
You're alright, mate.
Try this.
How much am we getting for all this? $1 grand?
Hard cash for hard work.
Damn
Why did the coffee
straight.
file a police report?
Why?
It got mugged.
That was ass. Baldur's Gate instead of Boulders. Get him!
Good hunting.
I sped by. Right, let's pull in. And we've made it back home. What time is it, bro? I'm going for it, bro. Come on. Okay, we're here. Okay. I'm gonna teleport there because I want to get this done. I'm gonna see if I can do something. I wanna do something. Okay, okay. Right, let me in. Cool. Plenty of time. I'm gonna do this just in case. I think that's reclosed on its safe back there, but still. One sec. Okay. Oh my daisies, just scared the crap out of me, yeah? Wasting time. Ooh. Okay. Easy does it. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna head back and I'm gonna see if I can hack this phone. That's lovely. So garage, and I'm gonna see if I can get myself some more money. Let's go, I can. Right. Ain't no data on your phone, monkey. Yeah, no, I can't do it again. Hacked you way. Go on. Right, let's now head down to the pawn shop before he closes. Alright. Okay, right. Yo, Vins. I got. God damn! I think I should start stealing phones more often.
Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. Take care, mate.
Okay, let's head back to the garage. Okay. We currently have 3,400. Next video, we should get the rest of the mole and get it out way. Okay, let me take a look. What level am I? Level 13, what can I get? Nothing really. Okay. I'm gonna leave it for this video. I know it's been a more shorter one. We've reached our halfway task, haven't we? And plus it's getting late. So I'm gonna see you lot in the next one. Bye bye!